Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Friends, welcome to your channel Profit in Equities. Now, if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell button so that you receive financial updates at the earliest. Imperative Associates is a financial services firm from India. Here we present two stocks which they think could be future multibaggers. Now, please don't treat any of these as stock recommendations. Please do your own research and please watch this video to know more about these particular stocks. The first stock on the list is Talbros Automotive Components Limited, and this is available at 316 on the exchanges. The code for the company is TALBROAUTO. Now, Talbros Automotive Components Limited is an auto component manufacturer. The company is engaged in the manufacturing of gaskets and forgings. The company's products include gaskets and heat shields, forgings, suspension systems, hoses, and anti-vibration systems. It caters to various vehicular segments such as two-wheelers, passenger cars, light and heavy commercial vehicles, agri-equipment, and industry and off-road vehicles. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart for the company, you would see that it's been on a beautiful uptrend throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 390 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS is 10.39, which translates into a price to earnings ratio of 30.41. The industry PE is 33.40, which means that the company is cheaper compared to the industry standard. The book value is 109.72, which translates into a price to book ratio of 2.88. The debt to equity is 0.8135, whereas the return on equity is 0.1221. Now, the dividend yield here for this company is 0.47, and the promoter holding stands at an average 56.63. The 52-week high for the company stands at 354, whereas the 52-week low is 122.10. Now, even though Talbros Automotive is a small cap company, this is an industry leader in the manufacturing of gaskets and heat shields, forgings, suspension systems and modules, anti-vibration components, and hoses. With experience and expertise, it has established a presence across all auto categories from two-wheelers to farm equipment. Also, this company is expected to achieve revenues of Rs 700 crores by 2020, operating margins of 14%, and return on capital employed of 20%. Lower leverage, higher promoter stake, and lower than industry average valuations are factors imperative for investment in the company as per Imperative Associates. Now, the second company on the list is Ujas Energy Limited, and this particular company has been also put forward by Imperative Associates. Now, Ujas Energy Limited is currently available at 26.45, and the code for this company is UJAAS. Ujas Energy Limited, formerly M&B Switchgears Limited, is engaged in solar power plant operation business and manufacturing and sale of solar power systems. Now, the company's segments include transformers, solar power plant operation, and manufacturing and sale of solar power systems. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart for the company, you would see that this company has been on a consistent downtrend for the entire year, but recently there has been some sort of price movement on the positive side. The market cap of the company is 529 crores, which means that the company is also a small cap one. The EPS is 1.57, which translates into an inexpensive price to earnings ratio of 16.85, which is a little below industry PE of 18.47. The book value is 11.43. Now, this company does not pay out any dividends, and the promoter holding here is decent at 62.91. The 52-week high for the company stands at 48.20, whereas the 52-week low is 20.60. Now, the reasons put forward by Imperative Associates for choosing this company are that Ujas Energy Limited has completed projects totaling 200 megawatt of solar power plants for corporates and retail clients. The company is also operating and maintaining more than 200 megawatt for its corporate clients like KRBL, SRS, Friends Group, Rockwell, A1 Cycles, Solar Energy Corporation India, or SECL. Now, they are expecting Ujas's top line to grow on the back of hybrid solar wind policy, rooftop sales, and a gradual shift towards solar for sustainable, low-cost power producing option. The company can double its EPS over the next couple of years on capacity augmentation. Now, friends, please don't treat any of these as stock recommendations. Go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Thanks for watching, and we will show you soon with another video.